too loud. All right, so I'm just going to read about how DMSO protects from radiation. Oh, you have the book? Awesome. I have to, like, I have to keep reading it. Like, you know how you read a book, but you have to read it again and again to, like, keep understanding. Anyways, Bridget, if you don't mind, if you've used DMSO, can you share your testimony or experience with it in the comments? That would be awesome. So I'm just going to read. Of all DMSO's traits, these are the ones I personally find most fascinating. For a substance to prevent the damaging effects of ionizing radiation, which carries enough energy to break molecular bonds and add ions to atoms, much more energy than non-ionizing radiation on DNA, is simply amazing. We've all learned in school that radiation is dangerous. Radiation produces free radicals, sometimes called inflammatory molecules, which damage the cells that make our organs, glands, muscles, bones. Ionizing radiation causes the cells to age more quickly and to become distorted or mutated, resulting in birth defects, anemia, cancers, such as leukemia and other diseases. Before we get into how DMSO can promote DNA repair after radiation damage, let's have a quick refresher on DNA itself. You probably remember from middle school science class that DNA consists of double-stranded helices that carry the blueprints for our genetic structure. Their proper function is vital to life in our cell. Vital to life. Hold on one second. Oh, it's Healing with DMSO by Amanda Vollmer. Her YouTube channel got deleted completely. It was Yum Naturals Emporium, but now she has another channel just under her name, Amanda Vollmer. You have it too? Awesome. I just wanted to share a video about how DMSO helps with radiation. So, let's see here. In our cells, DNA is transcribed into messenger RNA. The RNA carries the information to the ribosomes inside the cell, which are like mini factories that create a chain of amino acids in a process called translation. These chains fold into proteins that are essential to every system in the body. Strands of DNA can and do break, in fact, thousands of them daily, but the body works to repair the damage. Okay. These breaks can occur from mechanical stress on the cell, ionizing radiation, and chemical damage such as free radical damage caused by ROS. If the DNA is damaged, genetic information important for making cells may be lost. Fortunately, the body has a number of mechanisms available to repair DNA. Both single and double strand breaks can occur in the DNA double helix. DMSO has been shown to accelerate DNA strand break repair and to prevent the initial damage from ionizing radiation. DMSO helps prevent radiation damage by increasing the levels of glutathione. If the levels of the active form of glutathione in the body drop to lower than 70%, cellular dysfunction occurs, leading to disease. Glutathione ensures that the ROS created by radiation are able or unable to damage the cell. Applying DMSO to the body or taking it internally before undergoing any procedure involving radiation can be a wise decision for preventing DNA damage and the damaging effects of free radicals. As well, the radioprotective effects can prevent ulcers caused by radiation therapy used in conventional cancer therapy from forming. DMSO also assists after radiation exposure. I maintain the viewpoint that when it comes to radiation exposure, the sooner one can apply DMSO, the better. For minor exposures like a CAT scan or a mammogram, I prescribe the following. Combine 1 teaspoon of pure 99.995% DMSO and 5 ounces of distilled water or juice. Drink this mixture daily for 7 days straight. For higher radiation exposures like a full body CAT scan, a larger dose of DMSO can be used. I recommend the following. Cover the body with 80% DMSO as soon as possible. Wow. Dilute 1 ounce of pure DMSO into 1 ounce of distilled water or juice. Drink this 2-ounce mixture twice a day. The combination of these two treatments could relieve radiation side effects and help heal damaged DNA. However, prevention using DMSO is far more effective than trying to repair the damage afterward. Imagine if those who work in nuclear power plants, radiation technicians, flight crews, or those in iron and uranium mining were educated on DMSO, if it could be used as a part of a workplace health and safety strategy to prevent radiation damage. This is an achievable goal that I hope someone undertakes in these industries. Let's see here.